Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this review reflects my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're diving into TradeStation, a platform found at www.TradeStation.com. TradeStation is a robust trading platform catering to active traders and investors, offering a comprehensive suite of tools and resources designed to empower users in the markets. It boasts advanced charting capabilities, sophisticated order entry tools, and a wide range of analytical features to help inform trading decisions. One of the key highlights of TradeStation is its extensive customization options, allowing traders to tailor the platform to their specific needs and preferences. From personalized watch lists and alerts to custom indicators and trading strategies, TradeStation provides a highly flexible environment for managing investments. For those interested in automated trading, TradeStation offers a powerful strategy development and backtesting environment, enabling users to create and refine their own algorithmic trading systems. This feature allows traders to test their strategies against historical data, optimizing their approach before deploying it in live markets. Beyond its technical prowess, TradeStation also provides educational resources and market analysis to help users stay informed and enhance their trading skills. This includes access to market commentary, research reports, and educational webinars, providing valuable insights for both novice and experienced traders. However, it's worth noting that TradeStation's extensive feature set and advanced capabilities may present a steeper learning curve for beginners compared to some more user-friendly platforms. Furthermore, the pricing structure can be complex, with various fees and commissions depending on the chosen plan and trading activity. Potential users should carefully consider their individual needs and trading style when evaluating TradeStation. It's a powerful tool, but it's important to ensure it aligns with your specific requirements. Therefore, before making any decisions, I highly recommend exploring their website, www.TradeStation.com, and taking advantage of any available trial periods to fully experience the platform firsthand. This will give you the best understanding of its features and whether it's the right fit for your trading journey. Remember, thorough research and due diligence are essential when choosing a trading platform.